Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to sort of today. Honestly speaking, guys, umpumelelo uyafana noMusa Msaleko, like father, like son, libubesi la same zumbe. So we all know that on the channel is Tembo, season 9, episode 26. Umayeni came out to say she doesn't have a daughter-in-law. She was never told by anyone. She just saw on social media Umpumelelo going to pay a bride price. Guys, when Musa Msaleko was telling her when you have a daughter-in-law, you only recognize the Uterelo. Guys, yesterday Umpumelelo decided to post her Uterelo and Amahle praising them, and the comment section people are saying about hamba uyoxolisa Tumayeni, go and talk to Mayeni. One thing about Musa Msaleko, guys, and Mpumelelo, they're gonna do their own thing, guys. And people are saying, oh God, no, that is totally unfair. Why are you embarrassing Mayeni? She is your mother at the end of the day. You know, there's something painful Mayeni mentioned lapana with direct section. She said there was a time where she was a baby mama, guys. She was raising Umpumelelo alone, and Musa Msaleko was not around. So you can see Uguti Umayeni, guys, she's been there for Umpumelelo. And see, she was doing a great job when it comes to Mpumelelo before Musa Msaleko went back to her and they got married. They became a family, guys. So people are saying, what you are doing to Mayeni is totally unfair. They don't post everything they are doing on social media, guys. It might happen that Umayeni, Amahle, and Mpumelelo, they are now fine, guys. They're just gonna keep it for content because you know they are all about content, guys. They are not here to play, guys. So we might find everything on this Tembo season 4. So guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe.